Welcome guys. You're watching Tech High Tech. As the vaccine is yet to be developed for COVID-19, maintaining proper hygiene is obviously the best way to prevent oneself from contracting in COVID-19. And necessity is indeed the mother of all inventions, and because the need for hygiene has risen, several new products have entered the market. And in this video we're going to see the gadgets that helps us to prevent from COVID-19. Do watch the full video to know the actual status and full details of these products. Before we get into the video, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for instant notification. And here we go.
Number 1. IMMUTOUCH wristband. IMMUTOUCH wristband buzzes to stop touching your face. In the age of coronavirus, we all have to resist the urge to touch our faces. It's how the virus can travel from doorknobs or other objects to your mucous membranes and get you sick. Luckily, a startup called Slightly Robot had already developed a wristband to stop another type of harmful touching, trichotillomania, a disorder that compels people to pull out their hair. Slightly Robot redesigned their wearable as the IMMUTOUCH, a wristband that vibrates if you touch your face. Its accelerometer senses your hand movement 10 times per second. Based on calibrations the IMMUTOUCH takes when you set it up, it then buzzes when you touch or come close to touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. A companion app helps you track your progress as you try to keep your dirty mitts down. The IMMUTOUCH wristbands go on sale for $50 each and they're ready for immediate shipping. You can wear it on your dominant hand that you're more likely to touch your face with, or get one for each arm to maximize the deterrent. Number 2. The HYGIENE hook. The new touch-free HYGIENE hook is used to utilize against potentially contaminated public surfaces, so that direct contact is not needed for everyday functions. The touch-free HYGIENE hook is barely 3 long and fits in the user's pocket or can be attached to a key fob. Brass and copper are inherently an antimicrobial material, not allowing viruses to live on its surface. So this product don't carry virus with them. This product can be used in multiple ways, such as opening doors, pushing elevator buttons, using ATMs, pushing buttons at gas stations, pushing credit card, flushing toilets, turning on water faucets, locking and unlocking doors, opening doors at grocery or convenient. This product starts at $10 and goes till $40 depending upon the material used to make them. Number 3. No touch soap pump. You know your hands comes to contact with millions of germs every day, but have you ever thought of that soap ending up on your soap pumps? Introducing the no touch hand soap system. This helps to stop the spread of bacteria. It automatically senses your hands when you take it near it and dispenses right amount of soap. It is easy to set up, so you're protecting your family from bacteria in bathroom or in kitchen. This not touch soap system helps to protect and stop the spread of bacteria. Number 4. AUSAIR. AUSAIR was created by 2 brothers who live in Australia. When they was traveling overseas, they experienced unhealthy air pollution firsthand. To protect themselves, they looked for a stylish, breathable and functional mask but couldn't find any. After years of looking into the problems with current masks, testing new designs and prototyping, AUSAIR was born. The result is a mask which offers unparalleled breathability, filtration and style. It's a mask with a difference. It is reusable, washable skins designed to complement any outfit, and changeable filters infused with Australian botanicals. This is no ordinary mask. Based on a body of scientific literature, choose the O2 Plus filter which suits your needs. And for those of you who just want to breathe in pure air, it is a blank filter for you too. Number 5. EGRET EO Blaster. You'd be surprised what water and salt could do if combined in the correct way. Say hello to the EGRET AUSAIR, an all-purpose cleaning spray that relies on the power of electrolyzed water to replace practically every other cleaning agent you use. When electrolyzed, the water and salt turn into a solution of hypochlorous acid and sodium hydroxide, which acts as a remarkable detergent and disinfectant, instantly killing bacteria, cleansing off harmful chemicals from food, purifying the air, as well as busting odors. The technology, which has existed for over 4 decades, creates an all-purpose cleaning solution that replaces the need for carpet cleaners, floor cleaners, room fresheners, car fresheners, fruit and vegetable purifiers, and general disinfectants. Needless to say, the electrolyzed water is food safe, child safe, and eliminates the need to clean your house with chemicals that aren't healthy. And the EGRET AUSAIR, a small, portable spraying device, can electrolyze and spray the water directly from within its handheld, wireless form factor. The electrolyzer module lasts for 3 years with regular use, and doesn't require any additional solvents, capsules, or parts to keep it running. Besides, it saves the earth, preventing harmful chemicals and plastic waste from entering the environment, and it saves you a fair bit of money too, given that you're only using a couple of dollars worth of water and salt in an entire year.